The name of this water animal is dolphins. They never fully sleep. Dolphins rest one half of their brain at a time so they can keep breathing and watch for predators. The name of this animal is penguin. Most penguins live near Antarctica, but some live as far north as the Galapagos Islands, near the equator. Octopus, short but amazing lives. Most live only 1 to 3 years. Males die after mating, and females starve guarding their eggs, up to 100,000 at once. This is Celian. A sea lion can eat up to 50 pounds, 23 kilograms, of food a day. Cuttlefish, a squid, and crabs, they love hanging out in big groups called colonies or rafts when resting in the water. This is called lobster. Though they don't age like humans, lobsters eventually die from shell disease, predators, or molting accidents. This is known as turtles. Homing instinct. Even if moved far away, some turtles can find their way back home using Earth's magnetic field. This is fish. Fish outnumber humans. There are over 30,000 species of fish. That's more than all mammals, birds, and reptiles combined. The name of this animal is frogs. Breathing skin. Frogs can breathe through their skin underwater, like a built-in scuba suit, but they also have lungs for air. Shark. Speed demons. The shortfin mako shark can swim 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour, faster than a racehorse.